Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Zittle Farms YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about these shop lights by Big Ass Fans and how to really shorten the electrical cord here. They give you 10 feet of electrical cord just to plug into a 3-prong outlet, which is normal and easy. So if you want to run it down a wall and plug it into an outlet, that's what the 10 feet's for. But for us, we're going to keep them up by the ceiling here. On these ones by the garage door, we're going to lower them about 16 inches or so. So we're going to get some chains and lower them. On the back side of the garage, we're going to leave them up close to the ceiling. So we're just going to shorten the electrical wire. We'll go over that. And there's a lot of videos on the specs on these lights. Bottom line, they're awesome. This one is just how to shorten the electrical wire so you're not all bundled up here. I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn a thing. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And let's get started. Okay, now that we have the light here, to shorten the cord, we need to get to this part. But to get to here, we have to go inside. When you flip it over, there's going to be 2 screws here, which are quarter turn. And it opens up this door. All right, we need to get to this part right here. So we're going to unhook the power. There's a little clip here. And now it's disconnected. Now, there's a little screw here, and we're going to untighten that to get to the electrical wire. So this is the little part you're trying to unscrew. Once that's off, all right, so here's the electrical wire. Let's unbundle it. And this is the part we need to loosen to go down the wire. Use 2 adjustable wrenches. A couple of turns, and then you can do it by hand. Doesn't have to come all the way off. Now, as you can see, this moves up and down. So, let's run it down our electrical cord. And then we'll tighten it where we want it. All right, so we have our mark here of where we want the top part to be. So take that right there and then tighten this back down. You can do mostly with your hand. All right, so now we have a shortened cord. All this extra is going to go inside the housing. We're going to run this back through. And then don't forget about the bolt here. Get this black piece back in. And then tighten this bolt back down. Now, all this extra cord we're going to put inside here. Once it's in there, we're just going to plug this back together. Now, our wire is only 21 inches. All right, for this step of lowering the lights from the ceiling, we're going to use some chain here. I already measured it. We're going to need 12 links, so we're going to cut the 13th. Using bolt cutters makes easy work of it. Seven more to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If there's anything else you guys want to learn, drop me a line and maybe we'll do a YouTube video on that. Until then, have a great day and see you guys on the next one.